when you're looking at the relationship between congruence and equality, what you're going to see is if physical elements are congruent, then their measures are equal. So if you have a segment AB is congruent to a segment XY, what that means is their measurements AB and XY have to be equal. So that's the relationship, and it can go in either direction. Right? If we started with measurement, so let's say we took the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle X. If that's the case, then we know that the angles themselves, angle A and angle X, are congruent to each other. So that's what you're testing on this. So here you're given two statements. Okay? One statement has to do with congruence, and one statement has to do with equality. So the statement about congruence tells you that ZP and XV, those are distances between those segments, or the lengths of those segments are actually going to be equal to each other. So the relationship here is that PZ is equal to XV. So again, we find XV, so P, so that would be option P here. And in this example, we're given two angle measures are equal. If the measures are equal, then that means that the angle Y and the angle S have to be congruent to each other. So here we're looking at angle S is congruent to angle Y. So it's just a matter of finding that measure from, or that angle from the drop down.